Round 1 highlights muna tayo mga idol. At tinamaan nga ang ating kapwa Pinoy ng isang matinding spinning back kick, kaya siya nawalan ng kontrol at bumagsak pero naka-recover din agad. Nire-represent ng ating pambato ang bansang New Zealand at Pilipinas.
Johnny, do you think Shara Ramazanov
Round 2 na mga idol, nang sagupa ang Abelardo at Shara Ramazanov.
had success as well in the striking department, so knows.
Nakakabawi na rin ang ating pambato sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga combo. At tinamaan na naman ang ating kapwa Pinoy ng isa na namang matinding spin ng back kick. Nagaapuran na nga ang Russian na tapusin ang laban pero hindi papayag dyan ang ating pambato. Gusto nang tapusin ng kalaban ang laban sa pamamagitan ng isang rear naked choke, pero maganda din ang depensa ni Abelardo. At nakakaganti pa ang ating kapwa Pinoy sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga suntok kahit nasa control siya ng kanyang kalaban.
Position. He's been here before. He knows he has to defend the neck. Has to keep fighting the hands. He's going to do that old school BJJ trick when your opponent crosses their legs in the back mount. You triangle your legs and apply a little bit of pressure to that ankle. He's doing it right there with the ankle lock, Gianni. I don't know if he can get Shara Ramazanov off him with it, but he might be able to get the break.
Talagang ayaw pakawalan ng Russia ng ating pambato at nakapulupot siya na parang sawa sa likod ng Pinoy.
Ramazanov trying to come underneath the left arm of Mark Abelardo to control the wrist so he can do work with the right hand, trying to slide his right arm underneath the neck of Abelardo.
Hindi pa rin nagbabago ang kanilang posisyon, nananatili pa rin ang kalaban sa likod ng ating pambato para sa isang rear naked choke attempt.
Transitioning, always keeping the hips higher. Abelardo gives him the ability to move, to transition into these dominant grappling positions. Abelardo with a good job there, getting the hips free, go to the overhook, trying to pop back up to his feet. Look at Shara Ramazanov take away the knee, take away that base leg, and maintain top control. Woman from Dagestan, you know that Shara Ramazanov is going to be very difficult to deal with in these positions. Always trying to reroute arms and legs and trying to...
Unti-unti na ngang nakakatayo ang ating kababayan pero persigido talaga ang Russian na dalhin ang laban sa ground.
Shara Ramazanov's grappling ability, but I think that's what's kept him off guard, is he did not expect unorthodox attacks from Shara Ramazanov on the feet. Abelardo told us the game plan was to stuff the takedowns, much like the last round against Tyron Gregorian, to stuff the takedowns and then do damage on the feet, but like we talked about, the spinning back kicks have just caught Abelardo off guard. And he popped back to his feet.
At tuluyan na ngang nakatayo si Abelardo. Ito na ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali ng Russian na nakawala at nakatayo ang ating kababayan, kaya nakapagpakawala agad ng matinding mga suntok ang Pinoy na solidong tumama sa kanyang muka, na naging dahilan kaya bumagsak ang kalaban at dali-dali namang pinaulanan ng sunod-sunod na suntok, dahilan ng pagkatalo ng kalaban via TKO. Grabe ang pagkapanalo dito ng ating pambato, 2 beses pa siya tinamaan ng spinning back kick, una sa unang round at pangalawa sa second round, grabe talaga mga idol, ito ang tinatawag na epic comeback. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang slow-mo replay ng kanilang laban. Hindi lang pala spinning back kick ang tumama sa ating kababayan at nasundan pa ito ng isang malakas na tuhod mula sa kalaban.
By way of technical knockout, Mark Abelardo!
Visibly emotional, Mark Abelardo with a comfort behind victory had to survive 2 knockdowns and the ground control from Shadow
Panoorin natin ang interview ni Mr. Mitch Chilson.
Abelardo.
Mark Abelardo, that was an incredible comeback knockout win. I can see you're overcome with emotion. Talk to me about what's going through your mind right now.
I'm just at a loss for words. Man, I just had to believe in myself, and I got dropped twice, but I recovered well, and I trust in me. I trust in my teammates, and they just told me, just keep weathering the storm, and that's what I did. That's what I did.
How badly were you hurt? That was 2 spinning back kicks you got clipped with, and you seem to regain your composure relatively quickly. Did they just catch you off guard, or were you badly hurt?
No, not at all. They were like flash ones. What can I say? I underestimated that spinning kick. I thought I'd be able to avoid it. He caught me twice, and I hats off to him for that. But it's going to take more to drop me, to put me out than that.
You are an experienced veteran, a household name here at ONE. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for your winner, Mark Abelardo!
Hanggang dito na lang at maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.